Let us build our first Gemini AI agent together. Now, this AI agent is the most helpful for YouTubers and content creators. Now, I'm a YouTuber. I want to create a video. Now, I take out ideas and I get all my research part done from my competitors' channels or the videos that they have created. Now, instead of watching their video from starting till the end to know about the improvement areas, like what can I improve in the video that is uploaded by the competitor, to get the ideas, to get the insights, I don't have to actually see the video. I can just simply add that link of any of my competitors in Google Sheets and you will get the key insight of that video, areas to improve, what are the key strengths of the video, retention, everything in the Google Sheets itself without you wasting your seconds to watch the other videos. Now, if you don't believe me how this will actually work, let me show you. So this is our channel. Okay, now I am going to take any video from here. Let's suppose this video. Okay, I'm going to open it on a new tab. So the video title is what? Let me scroll down. The title is how to share YouTube videos on Facebook page. So I'm going to copy this title over here and paste it. You can copy any of your competitors' title and everything. Okay, and then I'm going to copy this shareable link over here of this video and paste it down. Okay, so my work is done. I have entered the URL as well as the title. Now within few minutes, you will see automatically the key insights of this specific video will be updated over here in this space. So let me show you when the data will be automatically updated. The few minutes has passed by and you can see automatically a data is updated in the spreadsheet. It says here's a detailed analysis of the provided YouTube video. The title is share YouTube videos to Facebook page. It's on the channel Pabbly. You can see this is the main content of automating and sharing new YouTube videos to a Facebook page. And you can see this is the total analysis of the video link that we have added in Google Sheets. You can see the opening hook, all the things that has been mentioned in the video, everything is been mentioned in this insight. What is the title, how, like you can see the title analysis, clarity, all the other things has been mentioned. You can see 3 improved titles is also mentioned, so that if you want you can use the improved titles. If you want to upload a short like that, 3 short catchy titles is mentioned. Audience analysis, you can see right over here the audience analysis is mentioned right here with all the 3. It's a very long analysis you can see for the video. Now, instead of doing this kind of research manually for the videos that you want to create, you can actually create this Gemini AI for free without need of any technical coding and programming skills. In this video, I will teach you how. So stay tuned till the end so that we can create this AI agent together. Now, to create such amazing Gemini AI agent, you need an automation tool. Now, I have tried multiple automation tools, but the easiest one and the most cost-effective one that I have used till this date is Pabbly Connect. Now, I've been using this software for more than 2 years now. I have created 1,000+ automations using this software, and creating this Gemini AI agent is a very easy part if you use this software from today itself. So that is my suggestion, that you should use Pabbly Connect in order to create automations for your business, content creation journey, or YouTube creator. If you are, you can use the software. It's very easy. Now with that, if you are logging in for the first time to create this setup with me, sign up for free. From here, you will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the 100 free tasks, you can create this Gemini AI agent for free using Pabbly Connect. If you like then using Pabbly Connect, you can purchase their yearly or one-time plans, and I am going to tell you use my code while purchasing it because you will get the most discount using my code. Okay, now I've already logged in. I'm already a user of Pabbly Connect, so I have created the template for this workflow using Pabbly Connect already. Now if you want to use this template that I am using so that you have to directly build the connections, not create the entire workflow yourself, you can check out the link, workflow link added in the description section below. The template is absolutely free to use, so you can actually grab that Gemini AI agent template for free right now. Okay, so now I have already created this template. Now open the template first. Let's set up a trigger, that is Google Sheets new or updated spreadsheet row. As soon as you will enter the video title and the link of the video in the Google Sheets, you would want that automatically the response of both of the details should be forwarded to our trigger so that the further AI agent steps will be processed. Okay, so that is why we've selected this trigger application and the event. To create the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, copy this URL from here and recapture the response first. Okay. After copying the URL, open the spreadsheet that you want to connect. Go to extensions, add-ons, get add-ons option. You will come to this window. On this window, on the search apps bar, search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and install this application. After installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks, go back, refresh the spreadsheet and you will see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks just like this. From which select the option of initial setup. Now after coming to the dialog box of initial setup, it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. To have the webhook URL, copy the URL from the workflow that we have created and paste it down in this field. After that, you have to enter the trigger column. Now, the trigger column is the data column, the last data column where you are manually entering the data from your end. Now, I am entering the link on the column B after entering the title. So, this is my last data column. So, I want that as soon as I'm going to enter the title in this column, the entire row's data will be forwarded towards the webhook URL. That is why my trigger column is going to be column B. Then I'm going to click on this submit button. As soon as I've done that, it says setup configured successfully. Now, as this part is completed, one last and very important step is left. That is go back to extensions and Pabbly Connect Webhooks and turn on this send on event option. As soon as now you will do that, you will see a tick mark is in front of you. That means now whenever you're going to enter the new data of the video that you want to have the research and analysis of in the spreadsheet is instantly going to share that new data to Pabbly Connect's trigger. Okay. Now, the connection is completed from our end between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. In Pabbly Connect's trigger, it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether the connection is completely done or not, what I am doing is I'm going to enter a new title and a new URL over here in the spreadsheet and check whether my trigger captures the response of the both details that we're entering or not. Okay, so I'm going to now I will open the Pabbly Hindi channel. Okay. Or leave it. I'm going to open Pabbly channel only and I'm going to copy any of the video link over here. So let's suppose I'm going to go scroll down and now I will take the link for this video, that is send bulk SMS from Google Sheets. Okay, so this is the video right over here. I want the title as well as the video link. So I'm going to first copy this title that I have over here. So this is the title. I'm going to copy it and paste it in this field, and this is the link. I'm going to copy this and paste it in this field. Okay, so I've entered both of the details. Now, as soon as I've done that, in the trigger, you will see automatically the response is going to be captured. It will be the same title, how to send bulk SMS from Google Sheets Twilio integration. With that, it's the same video URL. If I'm going to copy this URL and open it on a new tab, you will see automatically this is the same video that we have just pasted in Google Sheets. As now the trigger has captured the response, Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now we have the video as well as the video link, the title and the video link. Now let's have the analysis of the video. Let's take out the video insights. How we are going to do that? Using Gemini AI. For that, open Google AI Studio Gemini Video Insights step. Click on this connect option, add new connection. Now you need to provide the token. For that, directly go towards the hyperlink. You will go to the playground page of your OpenAI account. You have to go towards this key section and generate the key from here. After generating the key, copy the token, paste it down in the field and save the connection. Likewise, I've already created the connection before, so I'll select it and save the connection. Okay, the connection is completed. Now you have to enter the prompt, the text that you actually want with this video link. Now, I want a lot of things, but if you want a specific thing, like if you want that for your own YouTube video, you want the insights, so the prompt is going to be tailored to that. But my case is that I am analyzing my competitors' videos. Okay, I want to see the content that they have created, if they have good views on that. So that means the content is working correctly. But I want the insights, like if are there any improvements that can be done in the video, so that I don't have to actually see the entire video. Everything will be analyzed from Gemini's side only. So that is why I'm going to tailor a prompt that is going to take out the video insights of my competitor, is going to tell me what are the improvements I can create, what are the improvements I can create in the script, title, SEO, everything. So I have a very huge prompt for it. So now if you want a prompt that I will be using in this video as well, you have to comment down below the word prompt, and I'm going to share you that amazing prompt that will help you to analyze your competitors' YouTube videos. Okay. So now for the prompt over here, I'm going to write it as, see, this is the most amazing prompt I've created. You are an expert YouTube content strategist, YouTube analyst, and creator growth consultant. I will provide you with a YouTube video URL, analyze the video and available content, transcribe title, description, channel information, and other publicly available information you can access from the URL. Your goal is to deeply understand the video and provide the actionable insights that a YouTuber or a content creator can use to improve their content, grow their audience, and decide what to create next. Do not ask me manually. You can see right over here, I have mentioned everything that I want. Analysis the video using the following sections: YouTube and content overview, content quality analysis. You can see right away hook and retention analysis. I want title analysis. I want audience analysis. You can see right away all the questions I mentioned, SEO, everything, content gaps and opportunities, viewer feedbacks and engagement insights, content repurposing ideas, everything is mentioned right here with my next video strategies, creator growth insights, everything has been mentioned one by one. Okay. You can see how important and how amazing it is. Content quality, it is giving final creator scorecard as well. 3 strengths, 3 improvements, best content opportunity, best next video, important rules. I have mentioned everything that I want. Now this is an amazing prompt. I think every YouTuber should use this in order to do the research before creating their content. Okay, so now I have entered this amazing prompt. Now we need to enter the YouTube video link that the insight will be done off. Now for the data of this field, we'll do the process known as mapping. Add a / previous step is going to appear. Mapping is adding the data from the previous step. In the previous step, I have this URL. So I will select the data of this video URL from my previous response. And as we have done that, this data is now mapped. And as now this data is mapped, it's dynamic. Now, whenever the response of a new YouTube video URL will be captured in the previous step, that new data will be automatically updated in place of this mapped data. Now I have to enter the request name. Now for the request name over here, I'll write it as YouTube title is, and then map the data of the title that I have received in the Google Sheets step. Okay, so that I can have the unique request name every time. I don't want a specific timestamp to be entered, but if you want in the video from a specific time to a specific time the analysis should be done, you can do that as well using this amazing step by entering the timestamp end and start over here. Okay, I don't want that. I'll skip the part. I don't want frames per second also, so I'm going to skip the part of that. And media resolution, I will select over here as auto because it can be the low, high. I have no specific one selected for me, so I'm going to select the media resolution as auto, and then simply I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. Now as soon as I will do that, you will receive a batch ID. Now over here we have received the batch ID and the status is the batch state is pending. We have submitted the request for the YouTube insight, the video insight, sorry. Now Gemini is going to analyze the video according to the prompt that you've provided, and then it is going to give the insight. So we have the batch ID. Now through the batch ID we'll get the response. Now it will usually take 10 minutes for the response to come for the analysis that you have done using Gemini right now. So you have to wait for 10 minutes. Now, we can wait, but how will this workflow wait? For that, we are entering delay inside this workflow using Delay by Pabbly. It's an amazing feature. I'm going to add a delay for 10 minutes in this workflow. So I'm going to add a delay of 10 minutes. As soon as the delay of 10 minutes is added in the workflow, now after we've received the batch ID, this workflow is going to wait for 10 minutes and then the further steps will be followed. Okay, so I'm going to wait over here for 10 minutes and then we are going to proceed with further steps. After 10 minutes has passed, let's move on with our steps. Now I have one thing. If I'm going to open this Google AI Studio get batch response step, click on the connect option. I will select the existing connection from before. Now we have to enter our batch ID right here. Now first toggle this button on and erase this data from here. You have received this batch ID in this Google AI Studio step, but it is coming with the batches and slash in front of it. This is the ID that we require. And in the help desk, it says that you have to remove this batches slash from here, from the front. So now what we are going to do is, first I'll save this step, go back, and now we are going to use text formatter by Pabbly, split text step right over here, and we are going to edit this batch ID that we have received and remove this batches slash from the front and get this ID from here. Select the segment as second, click on the save and send test request button. We have received the batch ID now by itself. Now we are going to map this formatted ID in this batch ID step. So I'm going to map the data. Click on this save and send test request button, and now you will see right over here you have received this response correctly. In this response, you have received the content part, and this is the entire title. You can see send bulk SMS from 12 Google Sheets channel is Pabbly. You can see you will get the detailed analysis over here for this title. Everything is mentioned, the hook, everything that you entered in the prompt is exactly coming over here. If I'll scroll down till the end, you can see best next video. You can create this best next video, best content opportunity. This is the best content opportunity. Top 3 improvements. You can see the improvements that can be done in the video is mentioned over here. Everything from scoring, you can see the thing that we entered in the prompt. Everything is there in this detailed analysis for the video that we wanted. So as now we have that. Now let's add this data back in our Google Sheets so that we can have a systematic track of all the links with their insights at one place. Click on the connect option. I am going to add a new connection from here. Click on the sign in with Google. Select the account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet from here. And then it is asking for the access of the account, for which click on this allow button, as this is safe process and the data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. For the spreadsheet, I have created a spreadsheet in the name of YouTube video analysis. So I'm going to select this spreadsheet from the drop down. Sheet is sheet 1, so I'll select the sheet. Range, we have to enter the column name and the row index. In which column do I want to update the data? In column C. Okay, the Google Sheets event is update cell value. I just wanted to tell you that. C is the column name, and for the row index, map the data of the row index that you've received in the first Google Sheet step. For the value, map the data of this value right over here that you've received, the part of the analysis that is done by Gemini. Map the data, click on the save and send test request button. You will receive this kind of a response, and in your Google Sheets you will see the detailed analysis is added. Let me first redo the formatting of this right here and I'll show you. Okay, so you can see right over here the data is updated and it's exactly what you wanted. Till this bottom you can see it's the same thing that was generated through Gemini is now updated back in my Google Sheets. So as now the analysis is added back, the Gemini AI agent is created. You have built your first Gemini AI agent for free using this amazing automation tool. So now this is how you can create your own video researcher, video analysis, take out the key insights of the competitor's video using this amazing Gemini AI agent that we have created. Now, if you have some different use cases of yourself that you have for the video insights of your own, you can comment down below those ideas and use cases. I will create the personalized video just for all of you. Okay. So guys, if you have any questions or doubts related to this entire setup, do comment down below and I will reply to all your queries. With that, if you are planning to purchase Pabbly Connect's yearly or lifetime plans after creating this setup, you can use my code from the left side of the screen. So this was it for this video guys, and thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here, and if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.